Good evening. Who are you expecting, Count Dracula? My cousin Dracula was scheduled to be here. Instead, he is at home with his grandson, Dennis. I am Count Cookula. Welcome to the Cooking with the Crazy Chef Spooktober special. Join me. Today, I will prepare for you a fantastic chicken quesadillas. This will fill up your little monsters before trick-or-treating for sure. Now let's cook. For this recipe, you will need chicken cut into strips, 2 tablespoons of oil or shortening. You will also be using 2 tablespoons of quesadilla seasoning, which is green chilies, minced garlic, and minced onion. Cheese of your choice, I'm using mozzarella cheese. But before we begin our recipe, I have a joke for you. What is an optimistic vampire's favorite drink? Be positive! When you are cutting up your chicken, if you come across a fat piece or skin, put it into the pan. So to render the fat, make sure your pan is on low heat. After those pieces have been rendered, remove them and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil or shortening to your pan. Once the shortening has melted in the pan, add your chicken. If you opted for vegetable oil, you can immediately stick it in the pan. Add the mixture I mentioned in the beginning of this episode. And don't worry, I'm not allergic to garlic, unlike my cousin. Take out top tortilla and cut a jack-o'-lantern into the face. And make sure it's on the top one. Do not cut the face onto the bottom one. Make sure to give it some fangs. It is now time for our taste test. Let's taste our quesadilla. I'm gonna cut it open for us to see the yummy scrumptious food. The meat is very well cooked. The tortilla nice and grilled. Really adds good flavor with the cheese.